Hello everyone from Alice. In this video, I will introduce the characteristics of the milling burrs and how to set them up. The milling burrs ZTR and ZTB are the milling burrs to mill titanium workpiece. Set these series when you mill titanium. These are ZGB series milling burrs. ZGB is suitable for milling hard materials, and you can finish your milling job in less working time. Use ZGB when you mill hard materials such as sintered zirconia and glass ceramics. These are ZGB2 series milling burrs. Using ZGB2 can make the denture surface smoother and increase accuracy. Now, I will introduce how to set the milling burrs. Prepare the milling burrs to set. Then open the front cover. There is an ATC magazine near the rotary axis unit. Set the milling burrs in the ATC magazine. Open vPanel, select the machine to operate, and click the milling burr management icon. Click the stalker numbers into which the milling burrs are inserted, select the milling burr to use, and click OK. Now, milling burr registration is completed. Thank you for listening and watching our video. If you need further assistance, contact us through the live chat on DGSHAPE.com. Our team is ready to help. Also, remember to follow our social media accounts. DGSHAPE, your needs our focus.